Today, I'm sharing a special authentic Som Tam Long Beans recipe. Simple and delicious, suitable for lunch. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 350 grams of long beans, washed and soaked in the room temperature water for 1 hour. 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, 230 grams of fish cake, which need to be fried, steamed or boiled, 4 hard-boiled eggs, 8 pieces of bird eye chili, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 small sizes of tomatoes, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste or belacan, and 1 3/4 teaspoon of fish sauce. First, prepare the fish cake. Heat the pan with a bit of cooking oil. Put in the fish cake and arrange it around the pan. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns golden brown. Turn the fish cake into other side and wait for 2 more minutes. Remove it from the pan and rest it on the cooling rack. Leave it aside to cool. Next, cut the long beans. Remove the top part and cut about 1.5 inches in length, about this size. This type of long beans looks old, but they are not. They are very young and crunchy. They are called kacang tua. Alright, it is ready. Give it a rinse and leave it aside. Next, cut the tomatoes. Remove the stem and cut into small pieces. Leave it aside. Squeeze the lime. This lime has a lot of juice, so I will squeeze just 1 for now. More can be squeezed later on if it's not enough. For the fish cake, cut it into half its size or a bite size. Okay, now let's make the som tam. Put in about 8 pieces of bird eye chili in the clay mortar. This chili is not too spicy, so I put in slightly more. 2 cloves of garlic. Pound the chili and garlic together until fine. Alright, this should be okay for the chili and garlic. Next, add in all the belacan or shrimp paste. Continue to pound until all are incorporated. This should be okay. Next, put in the long beans. Pound until all the long bean breaks and are a little smashed, but don't make it too fine as it won't be nice to eat. A little bit of arm strength is needed to break and smash the long beans. After pounding for about 3 minutes, the long beans have been smashed. Pound them a little bit more. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of lime juice. Continue to pound. This time, use a spatula to help in mixing the seasoning and the long beans while pounding. Okay, this should be enough. Now I can give it a taste. Good, long beans are very crunchy. It is spicy and sour, but still lack of saltiness and sweetness. Add in 3/4 tablespoon of fish sauce and half tablespoon of sugar. Continue to pound and mix. Now, add in all of the cut tomatoes. Pound and mix for about 15 seconds. Give it a final taste. Oh wow, delicious! So good! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but this is perfect already. Add in the fried fish cake and give it a mix. This looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. Now I can dish out and serve. This is best served immediately once it is made for the delicious fresh and crunchy taste. Serve it with hard-boiled eggs that I have cut in half. These two are match made in heaven. put the egg on the side, and we are done. Let's eat! Oh wow, so delicious and very appetizing. Very savory, sweet, sour, a bit of saltiness, and it is not too spicy. Fish cake is soft and tasty, and the long beans are very crunchy. I do not recommend to keep this for more than an hour as it will lose its freshness and may cause food poisoning as most ingredients are uncooked. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.